What's up? So I haven't been posting much because of California and their strict laws. You can't do much to a vehicle now. You can't really modify it. So I kind of been staying low key. Anyways, it's still stock. But the reason for this post is to let you guys know what happened. I went to gas up last night because this morning I have work. So I went, gas up, filled up, drove back, and I felt a slight loss of power. I wasn't building enough boost. So I didn't think much of it. I said, fuck it. I parked it. And then this morning, went, warmed it up, check engine light came on. I noticed that Hyundai, I guess, has been having an issue with the check engine light. Some guys on the post and forums I've noticed, they say turn it off, just chill for a while, turn it back on, and then once you drive, it might go away. So I thought it might happen. I started to drive and I felt immediately I had maybe no more than 3 psi boost building. So came back right away, not even a block. And I parked the vehicle, I popped the hood, and I just wanted to go, through the piping, make sure I wasn't losing boost anywhere. I don't know, for some reason I just automatically jumped to the electronic wastegate actuator. I checked it out and I noticed that the connecting rod was loose. And just keep in mind, I have 5,308 miles on this. So I'm gonna do my best to show you guys. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but this is electronic wastegate actuator. If you hear that noise, that heat shield may be in the way, but here's the bolt. Just has a snap ring on top. I'm thinking it's just a pin that might have snapped off, and then that's the flapper that's inside the wastegate. So I mean, it's not bound up. I don't know how, it could have possibly snapped off. But that is how my morning is going. So I'm gonna get it ready so I could take it to the dealer. As soon as they open, it's still early. It's like 7. It's not even, yeah, it's 7 in the morning already. But I'll let you guys know. The it's not a bad car. I think it was just it's an issue that they had. Maybe, I don't know if that pin is threaded or if it's just tack welded on. Maybe they just tacked it on and maybe it was a little bit too much heat. But I mean, the easy fix that I see there, I would just pull that pin out, drill it, drill through it, and then just take another pin in there. Just put a snap ring back on there. If I would have to throw it in the lathe, turn it down a bit just for the C-clip to fit over it, or a snap ring, whatever, I would. But hopefully the warranty covers it, and I'm hoping it's just a pin and it wasn't anything else internal, because I mean, what else can cause that break? Anyways, that's my issue right now with the Veloster N.